My first time on the circuit with the Honda Civic Type R 300 HP. Buklia joined me for my first event ever lap on the circuit with the beastly Honda Civic Type R 300 HP of pura adrenaline from the roaring engine to night corner and on high speed strength. This red when an unforgettable. So perfect. Here is the final clear YouTube description with both the model and for horsepower clear strength. My first time on the circuit with the incredible Honda Civic Type R fully pushing all 300 HP on the limit from night corner to the full throttle strength. This hot hat really on trick. Honda Civic Prop 300. This is the ultimate front wheel driver performance. Expensive if you are a car lover type or fun on just into high rev trail. You don't want to miss this ride. Sit back, enjoy the sound, speed, and raw power. And don't forget to like. My first time on the track with the legendary Honda Civic Type R 300 HP, and what expensive from aggressive cornering to full tire strength. This hot hat lever non-stop extendment wheel is raw power night handling and her as VTEC gram model Honda Civic on 300 power weather. This is the ultimate from wheel driver performance. Expensive if you are a car loud type of fun on just into high rev third. You don't want to miss this ride. Whether you are a car and interested a type of fun or loud track, does this video bring you the raw excitement of performance driving. Guys, this is red and bike automotive is a very good and trusted 300 HP Honda Civic Type S model. Is very expensive, it's very easy and intelligent machining engineering engine is the very fantastic. My first time in this circuit 300 HP on to the limit radio. This video is very important for the S people who is the very found for the automotive PNG, and this car is very setback engine to sound speed and raw power. And don't forget to have commented and